It's IBC 2023 and we're on the Venera Technologies stand, and we've done a couple of videos here, one on the Quasar, and we're talking this time with Fereidoon again about CapMate.
Yes. So
tell us all about it.
yes, so CapMate is a cloud-based solution for detection and correction of captions.
Okay.
As you can imagine, with the proliferation of content across the world, having subtitles and captions for a media file, for a show, is really extremely important. And there are a lot of issues that can happen with the caption. And that the problem with the dealing with caption is that it's time consuming. So an operator would have to watch the show, entire show, with the caption, look for issues. So what CapMate does is expedites the process, the overall process, reduces the amount of time that an operator would have to deal with caption files. And it can not only detect issues, but it can also correct them. One of the biggest issues with caption is sync. So as you and I are talking, the caption that shows up bottom of the screen may be out of sync with what we're saying. And so the operators will have to look for that, adjust the timing on the caption, and it takes a long time. So what CapMate does, it automates the process. It automatically detects the difference between the time of the audio and the time of the caption, and on top of that can automatically correct it as well, which makes it so it syncs it up.
So this is happening in the cloud, isn't it? Native cloud.
It's happening in native cloud.
What are the advantages of that?
So one of the biggest advantages of native cloud is, number one, you don't have to install anything, obviously running everything in the cloud, and ability to scale up. So you could have hundreds of files coming in on a given day that you need to process. So CapMate allows you to do that very quickly.
Right.
Also, security is in place, so you have scalability, security, and it's a usage-based model. So you only pay for what you're using. You don't have to necessarily own multiple licenses of a product, but you use as you go along.
Yeah. And in terms of captions, what sort of solutions are you solving with this? Multi-line problems and all sorts, I guess.
Yeah. So it's sync is one of the biggest problems. So some of the other problems is sometimes caption is missing. So there's audio, somebody's speaking, but there's no caption there.
Right.
So CapMate allows to catch that and allows the operator to quickly just place in what's missing. Or you may have some burnt-in text on the screen and the caption shows up right on top of it.
Right,
so you can't read the caption, we can't read the burnt-in text. So CapMate can detect that and automatically move the location of it. So that really helps with those things. Also, nowadays, the content could be in any languages. So CapMate not only works with English, works with other languages as well. And one of the new features that we are introducing is the ability for CapMate to actually translate the caption into any language that you want.
Right.
So you have a base caption that you have written and you correct it and make sure it's right. And now CapMate can actually generate translated captions in any other languages.
Why not?
Why not?
Very clever.
Exactly.
Very clever.
And all of that allows to reduce the amount of time that operator would have to spend with the caption file. So over 50 to 60% reduction in the amount of time that you would spend allows operators to do a lot more, and all the repetitive actions that could be, there could be errors in it, human errors can be helped with CapMate.
With the globalization of content now, the multi-language thing is essential, isn't it? There's a time saver to be able to do that. Exactly. Clever. So if people want to find out more information on CapMate, where can they find it?
The best place, come to our website, www.veneratech.com. And there's all sorts of information. We have different tabs for CapMate, for Quasar, for other products, but plenty of information about CapMate. We provide free trial. We can do a full demo, free trial, so you can actually try it themselves. And it really, literally within the same day they can get going. They upload the caption file, we do the testing, we give the results back. They can decide whether that fits their need or not.
Best way to go. Fereidoon, thank you very much indeed.
My pleasure, thank you.
Do check out the website for everything on CapMate and also for Quasar, which is another interview that we did. So do check out that on our channel. For everything else that we're doing at IBC, check out kitplus.com.